A lot of people say they like our episodes on our garden installations. So if you're one of those people, stay tuned because this episode's for you. Hey everybody, I'm Alan Schaefer, Custom Garden Solutions. In today's exciting episode, I'm in Cave Creek, Arizona. It's simply beautiful here at my friend's
Stephen and Janelle's house.
We installed 2 4x8 raised bed gardens. We did some education, some consulting, and I'll be back for 3 follow-up visits in about 2 or 3 week increments. But today I just wanted to show you the beautiful scenery here, the huge saguaro cactus, this huge agave plant. The agaves or cactus are all over the place. The mountains in the background, the sun setting. Look at that view. And there is what is called our pergola. And our pergola is that big stand, and in the middle you can see the 2 4x8 raised bed gardens. And that's Oyster, a really cool 120-pound German Shepherd. Let's check out the garden. All right, so we're in Arizona. It gets very hot here. It's the first week of March. We hit about 81 or 82 today. We installed the 2 4x8 raised bed gardens underneath what they call a pergola. And this thing is just really beautiful. I'll back it up here and show you what this looks like. All right. And then we got the 4x8 raised bed. And it's about 2 feet high. We've got 8 feet corner posts, and the 8 feet corner posts can be used for insect netting, bird netting, season extension with poly, frost protection, things like that. And it's filled up with, Custom Garden Solutions premium compost. And real quickly, we've got one of the gardens planted out with seeds with drip irrigation. So it's ready to go. We're going to water that in. You can see the beautiful horses in the background. They just ran out of the picture. So this side of the pergola is covered. All right, this side of the backyard is covered with pergola. So we're growing more of the cool weather crops, the spinach, the lettuce, things like that, kale. And the other side over here is got more access to the sun. So tomatoes and beans and potatoes and things like that are going to go in the sunnier side 4x8. But that's just a quick overview. I'll be back in 2 or 3 weeks to check on how things are growing, talk about insect pressure, things like that. I'm Alan Schaefer at Custom Garden Solutions. Our channel is all about helping you grow herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff. If you're new to our channel and you want to learn all about growing herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff, start today by subscribing. And so you don't miss anything, make sure you hit the notification bell because you never know where I'm going to show up next. And now to the dog. And the best part of the project is the dog. Look at that. Hey, Oyster. Hi, Oyster. Are you a good boy? You gonna show them what a good boy you are, or you just tired? You want me to go home? You want me to go home? You get your bell on. All right. All right, Steve.